So prep-wise, we're having to move where our gazebo is at. Right here where I'm at, I gotta move the clothesline onto the tree, and we just, like I said, move the gazebo out of any tree falling area. And I think, yeah, he's doing the clothesline for me. Gotta watch those clothespins though, it won't let you suck it in without it. So we went on a little walk and we just started to finally find some of the boundaries down in the creek bed of where exactly our property goes. And we just realized we have not looked in 3 years and seen just how much property we have. And found a downed red fir. Oh, mosquito. Sorry. Try that again. Found a downed red fir that is literally up in the air, and we are going to be able to use it for firewood. It's been down a while, and so we are totally excited. We just found so much stuff. Any plant people out there, I'm curious. Tell me, do you know what? I think it's maybe raspberries. We got it everywhere though. I mean, either that or it's a mint or a catnip. We aren't really sure, but it's everywhere on our property. Just crazy. Yeah, we just walked on about 60 more feet of our property and found a whole lot more that we didn't even know about. I mean, we're pretty confined to just this area, but you can kind of see here in the distance, there's some of that red fir, and it's totally supported. It's not on the ground, it's all on stumps. So it's totally great. We're gonna be able to do something. And we have this bird following us. I'm not sure, I don't think it's a grouse. You tell me what you think in the comments. But it is the most friendly bird. I think it's a guinea fowl. I'm not sure, but it literally follows us everywhere, all over the property. It's kind of like one of our chickens, but not a chicken. And it's sweet. It makes the sweetest little songy noises. It's kind of pretty. Hi, sweetie. So if you know what this is, leave a comment below. You need me to back it up more? Okay. So hopefully he's got this thing on. As you can tell, I've got some garden stuff in here that we're getting ready to use. It's just too cold out to plant anything, so it'll be coming back with me again this week. exactly where we're putting it, but I guess I'm going to find out in a few minutes. He's going on a drive somewhere. So I guess we're putting it down in the creek bed temporarily, at least for a week. Just unloaded the car, got some bird seed and chicken scratch in there still, but this is some stuff we're going to use for the raised beds. So, gonna go haul this over to the shop. Dwayne just got for early Father's Day present pallet forks for our little tractor. So he's gonna move some metal roofing that we have that we're gonna use for projects around the homestead. He's gonna move it out of the way in case we have any trees come down on it, just to be safe. Yeah, we got all that roofing free, so it was pretty awesome. Next, we need to get down the hunting blind. Take that down, and then we got to take down some of the rails on our ramp. Well, he got his hunting stand down, and he's moving that to wherever he's moving it to. In the meantime, I'm working on taking down some of the ramp because pretty sure that tree is going to fall on it, and they told us, be safe, go ahead and take that off. So got two of the rails off. We're just going to go about that far up where the rails are and just disassemble this and then reassemble it next week. So we got the half of the ramp down that we needed to, that they asked us to. And then we have a RV dump here. We don't want anything to happen to it, so we surrounded it with some concrete blocks. Hopefully it'll be safe. So my dad brought up those posts right there. We're going to use them for the outside of the garden bed, the new one that we're going to build hopefully in the next week or two. But now it's just got to put everything away for the day. Well, we're back home. Here, I'll show you. Hi. Home, got all of our plants back again. These things have been on more miles than most people recently. So cast out a lot of my ones I grew to the neighbors up there, kept what I needed, and just brought everything back. I'm pretty sure we're gonna try to maybe get them in next weekend or the weekend after. I prefer next weekend personally. Gotta water a few things, but those green onions I talked about, they're doing great. And I planted these new strawberries just here on my deck. There's only 4 plants. I figured give them a shot, see how they do. But these are a strawberry that tastes like a pineapple. So I'm really excited to try that out. And looks like most of my dandelions have finally gone to seed. So we're gonna try to mow this week, I think, because this is out of control. So anyways, thanks for watching the video and following along. If you know anything about that bird, let me know. I'm thinking it's probably a grouse, but I'm not 100% sure. And I think those were stinging nettles. I got very lucky, did not hurt myself and make myself itchy. Anyways, if you can, give us a like, give us a follow, subscribe to us. It'd be fantastic if you did. And we will hopefully see you next week when we are bringing down 13 trees. Have a great day. Bye, guys.